So hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be reviewing a product that's a product from Nykaa that's called Moi by Nykaa. So it's the Raison D'Etre UD perfume, and this has I think 4 to 5 variants, and this product is cruelty free, vegan, not tested on animals, and it says Raison D'Etre, the French phrase translating to the reason for being, inspires a subtle yet elegant fragrance to give you an air of calm domination. So this is the product description. If you want to see the product's description, you can pause the video and check it out. Okay, so let's test out how the product looks like. The product looks like this, and it says Moi by Nykaa on the bottle. So it's 16 ml product. If you spray it on your hand, on your neck, it's gonna stay for 4 to 5 hours easily, and I really love the fragrance of this product. If you want to test out the other fragrances of this product, you can surely do it, but I am gonna recommend this to you. And the product's price is $249, and you can definitely try this affordable and cheap perfumes. So thank you everyone for watching this video. If you want to check the product's link, you can surely check it in the description, and thank you guys for watching. Bye.